Let's get into the Master Lock SafeSpace. Like I told you, it's like having your own little box safe that you can carry around. It's good for traveling, and you can put it in your diaper bag. You can put it in your purse. You can take it with you when you're traveling. It would be really great to use as your own safe when you're going on business trips, and also it's great for your kids and teenagers too. So you can, one benefit is that you can set your own password. I know my teen Houston, it's very hard for him to remember things sometimes, especially numbers. So this is great. We already know what his password is going to be for this particular item. The casing is very durable and no one's going to break in. See, if you go like this, it's just a great case. So if someone tries to grab your belongings and use a hammer or they're beating on it, first, I'm sure people nearby will hear. Secondly, it's just a very durable casing. Let's open the inside, and you can see that it's great for small items like your keys. You can hold your money here. You could put your smartphone or your iPod and items like that. Another nifty thing about this item is that you can secure it to anything. It has this attachment that goes on that you just open up, you unravel it, and then you stick it back in, set your passcode, and it's there and secure. This is great for the gym. A lot of times children's lockers will have a little hole. This might be able to fit through that hole to secure it to a locker if they don't have a lock that they're carrying. When you're at the out and about, you sometimes have your bike. If your bicycle is locked to wherever you locked it, you can lock this around the bike as well, and it will secure your items. So this is a great part to this SafeSpace. The product's also very affordable. You can order this online at masterlock.com, and you can find it at different retailers. Again, hope you're having a great day, and if you need to secure the items in your possession, small items, I recommend Master Lock SafeSpace. It's a great tool, and I can't wait for Houston to start using it.